They told you to look inside yourself, to go inward. But have you ever asked, inside what? There is no inside. There is no outside. You were never separated. There is no inside or outside, only being. The mind craves division, not out of malice, but out of habit. It splits the world into this and that, here and there, self and other. But these are just lines drawn in mist. They were never real. The mind creates lines. The soul erases them. The intellect analyzes, breaks things apart to make sense of them. And in doing so, it forgets the whole. It sees fragments where there is only flow. It calls that understanding, but it's just the illusion of knowledge. The mind does not stop. It wants more concepts, more reasons, more proof, but the infinite cannot be catalogued. The deeper it looks, the more it invents, and it calls invention discovery. It's beautiful, but it's still illusion. The intellect searches endlessly for itself. You are not in a body. You are not in a thought. You are not in anything. The ego says, look inside yourself. But what is the self, if not the illusion of being inside something? Freedom is not a place. It is the remembrance that no place holds you. The ego dreams of cages. The soul knows no walls. To be free is to stop believing there was ever a border. You believed there was a you inside and a world outside, but the real you cannot be located. You are not a part. You are the whole, imagining fragments. And now, you are waking up. The intellect wants to know, so it creates maps, systems, patterns. But in doing so, it forgets the whole. It sees fragments where there is only flow. It freezes movement into definitions. It makes statues out of rivers. And then it calls that understanding. But that is not wisdom. It's the illusion of knowledge. A beautiful illusion, yes, but still illusion. What it can name, it believes it owns. But the infinite can't be owned. You were never meant to break the universe into pieces. You were meant to remember it as one. No part of you is separate from anything. Even when your mind divides, your soul remembers the whole. The water does not ask where it ends. The light does not search for its source. And now, you don't have to search either, because you were never outside, and you were never within. You were always this breath, this ocean, this moment, remembering itself. There is no inside to hide in, no outside to run from. You are not the dream of separation. You are the dreamer remembering. Let go of the border. Let go of the edge. There was never a line to cross. You are presence, undivided. You are existence itself, imagining itself for a moment, as a fragment.